Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. So today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious tomato and cheddar cheese pasta. This recipe is super simple and really easy to make, and if you don't have enough time and if you want to make something quick and very delicious, this is a really nice recipe. So now let's begin with this recipe. So first, in a hot pan, add 2 tablespoons oil. Add 5 cloves chopped garlic, half tablespoon red chilli flakes, and fry this until garlic is nice and light brown. Make sure the flame is on medium high. Then add 3 chopped tomatoes. Then fry this until the tomatoes are nice and soft. Something like this. When the tomatoes are something like this, then add 3 tablespoons tomato paste, half teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 tablespoon tomato ketchup, half teaspoon sugar, half teaspoon black pepper powder, and fry this for about 2 minutes. Then add some salt to taste. Add 1 tablespoon butter. Add 1 tablespoon mixed herb seasoning and fry this for about 2 minutes. Cook it until it is nice and thick paste, but make sure you please do not burn it. If you are not confident enough, then please make sure the flame is on low. Then when the tomato paste is nicely cooked, then add 1 cup of pasta water and then give this a really nice mix. Then add 500 grams of cooked spaghetti pasta and give this a really nice mix. Make sure the sauce is nicely coated for the pasta. Then add 1/4 cup of fresh cream, half cup grated cheddar cheese, and 15 to 20 basil leaves, and give this a really nice mix. If you need, then add little bit of more pasta water if required, and give this a really nice mix. Make sure the pasta is not too dry. Give this a really nice mix, and there you go, the recipe is ready now guys. This recipe is super simple and really easy that anyone can make this recipe. Make sure to serve the pasta nice and piping hot. And garnish it with some more grated cheese. There you go, the pasta is ready now. It is a really simple recipe guys, and I'll hope you'll try this recipe at home. And if you like the recipe, then please hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe to my channel for more amazing and delicious recipes in the future. And I have so many other recipes on my channel, so please do have a look guys. And thanks for watching my recipe guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.